Blue is snoozing away in his crate. I laid him down there when we got home and he hasn't moved. He's drooling a little bit. He stopped drooling now, but he was drooling a little bit earlier. I really want to go on a walk. I've been going on walks a lot. I try to go different times of the day and kind of do different routes every time because and I really enjoy it. It's kind of like exercising for me in a way where I actually like it, and I just go on a nice long walk. I listen to music, I smoke some weed, and it's great. I'm gonna put on like some workout clothes with like a hoodie on top because it is kind of cold, and I'm gonna roll a joint and we're gonna go on a walk. So let's actually ignore that I have a shit ton of mess in this room. These are clothes I need to sell. This is my workout clothes drawer. As you can tell, it's so organized. Yay! I have to say, I wore these Gymshark leggings the other day. My ass looks so good, so I feel like I'm gonna wear these. I'm gonna wear this Gymshark top, and it has the thumb holes, which is gonna keep my hands warm. I'm wearing this like Skims bra, and it's pretty, it gives support. It gives enough support, so I think I'll just keep that on. Let's change. Transition. These are the leggings. I'm gonna wear them all the way up. I think I'm actually gonna, when I just got Blue, I had this Ring camera that I used like to watch him. I think I'm gonna set that up because like he's fine, but still I just want to make sure that I can check up on him right now.
Oh, Leafy. You got like so many eyeball guys.
I've just had some guys from IKEA build this for me. I'm going to probably put clothes that I'm selling in here to get it more organized because I now have it in all these boxes, but I want to try and organize it in here. More room up there. Look how nice and vibey the studio is right now. Birds are chirping. Sorry, this window is so dirty.